Living on the island decided to leave on their pre-constructed boats. Love, knowledge, and kindness were the only ones who decided not to leave the island. They never wanted to leave their beautiful island ever. But when it started sinking slowly, they panicked and decided to ask for help. Just then, they saw visitors passing by.
Can you please help me?
No, I can't. There's a lot of gold and silk in my boat. There's no place for you.
Knowledge saw vanity passing, decided to ask for help.
Vanity, can you please help us? I don't have to love and knowledge. We're all wet. You may probably damage my boat. Please help us.
Sadness was close by love and asked for help.
Happiness. Can you please help us? No, I can't help you. I'm very happy. Please help us. No, I have no time for you.
Then sadness was close by love and asked for help.
Sadness. Can you please take us with you?
Oh, love, I'm so sad. I would prefer to go alone.
Please help us.
All were very sad and worried. Suddenly, there was a voice.
Why are you all so sad?
The island is about to sink and there is no one to help us. Because of that, we are very worried.
Don't worry, I'll find a solution for all of us.
All were very sad and worried. Suddenly, there was a voice.
Come, love, knowledge, and kindness, I will help you and take you to a better place. Please don't worry.
When they arrived to the other side, love asked knowledge who was the elder he was.
Knowledge, who was the one who helped us? Love, it was time. But why did time help us? I don't know. Why?
It was time who brought you all here. Knowledge replied with great wisdom. Only time was the value of feelings that helps keep the bonding strong of human beings. Time is capable of solving anything. Things today may not be have a solution, but tomorrow you will find it. The moral of the story, Time and Love, is that we should value the feelings of love which others share for us. Time knows how valuable all these feelings are.
आमी शीतकडी खाताव, आमी नुस्तें गरयताव, आमी कोंकणी उलयताव आनी गोंया आमचो गांव. आमी शीतकडी खाताव, आमी नुस्तें गरयताव, आमी कोंकणी उलयताव आनी गोंया आमचो गांव. हे कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास, तीच करुया राजभास. 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 आमी देवळान वेताव, आमी इगोर्जेन वेताव आनी एकामेकाक मेळून आमी कोंकणी उलयताव. हे देवळान वेताव, आमी इगोर्जेन वेताव आनी एकामेकाक मेळून आमी कोंकणी उलयताव. हे कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास, तीच करुया राजभास. 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 मुस्क वाजयताव, आमी कांतारां म्हणटाव, आमी फुगडी गाजयताव पळय तेन्ना नाचता सगळो गांव. हे आमी मुस्क वाजयताव, आमी कांतारां म्हणटाव, आमी फुगडी गाजयताव पळय तेन्ना नाचता सगळो गांव. हे कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास, तीच करुया राजभास. 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 वावरताव, आमी पाड्याक चलयताव, आख्खो दीस काम करून सांजे फेणीचो मारताव. हे शेतान वावरताव, आमी पाड्याक चलयताव, आख्खो दीस काम करून सांजे फेणीचो मारताव. हे कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास, तीच करुया राजभास. 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 इंग्लीश समजताव, मराठी शिंगताव, पूण घरा कडेन वचून आमी कोंकणी उलयताव. हे पुर्तुगेज मारताव, मराठी शिंगताव, पूण घरा कडेन वचून आमी कोंकणीच उलयताव. कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास, तीच करुया राजभास. 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 गोंयची भास, तीच करुया राजभास. कोंकणी आमची गोंयची भास, तीच करुया राजभास.